Have you ever noticed how one small change on your phone can suddenly make something you use every day way more complicated? That's exactly what happened to Pixel users when Google decided to move the live caption toggle. But the good news is it's finally coming back to where it belongs. Let's break this down. If you own a Pixel phone, you probably know about live caption. It's that clever little feature that instantly puts subtitles on your screen, whether you're on a call, watching a video, listening to a podcast, or even playing an audio message. It's a game changer if you're hard of hearing, but it's also super handy in noisy places when you just can't catch what someone is saying. Now, originally, turning it on was easy. You press the volume button, and right under the slider, the live caption toggle was sitting there waiting for you. One tap, and you had subtitles on the screen. Simple, quick, and practical, but last year, things changed. With Android 15 Beta 2, Google moved the toggle deep into the settings. Suddenly, to enable live caption, you had to press the volume button, tap a three-dot menu, open settings, scroll down to the audio section, find live caption, and then switch it on. That's 5 steps for something that used to take one. Unsurprisingly, people weren't happy. Users on Reddit voiced their frustration. One person said that the one-tap shortcut was such a great way to use live caption, and the new method made them use it less. Another person, who is hard of hearing, said they really hated how an accessibility tool was being hidden under so many menus. For them, this wasn't just an inconvenience, it made the feature much harder to use in real life. Google has a habit of constantly tweaking Android's design. Sometimes those changes improve the experience, but sometimes they make things worse. In this case, Google got the message loud and clear. With the latest Android Canary build, which is an early test version of the system, the live caption toggle is back under the volume slider. That means soon, you'll once again be able to activate subtitles instantly with just a tap. This might sound like a small adjustment, but it's actually a really important step for accessibility. For people who rely on captions to communicate or understand conversations, those extra steps were a big barrier. Now, whether you're trying to follow a video in a busy cafe or you're hard of hearing and need subtitles on a call, the Pixel will make it easy again, of course, because this is part of the Canary build. The feature isn't available to everyone just yet. The Canary version is like a testing ground. It's unstable, full of experiments, and not meant for your main phone. But it shows what Google is preparing for future stable updates. Another nice touch is that you'll also have control over it. If you don't want the live caption shortcut in your volume menu, you'll be able to disable it in settings under accessibility. That way, people who use it can keep it handy, and those who don't won't be bothered by it. This change is a great example of why people enjoy Pixel phones. Sure, the cameras get most of the attention, but the real fun of owning a Pixel is getting to try out these software changes before anyone else. Yes, sometimes Google makes mistakes,